Good morning, students of grade 4. Myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher. Today we are going to start lesson 3 of block 17. Lesson 3 is comparing areas. That means in this lesson we will compare two areas. Okay, so let's start. Mention today's sheet. Question number 1 and 2 we will solve in our content book, page number 5. Question number 3. Draw two shapes on squared paper like this. Squared paper with the area is given. We have some areas given in these questions and we have to draw two shapes of each area. Compare the perimeter of each pair of shapes and then we will compare our perimeter also. So let's start, students. We have area of 6 square unit in shape A and shape B. Area in both shapes we have same and we have to find out the perimeter. Okay, so area in shape A and shape B we have 6 square units. Okay, and we have to find out perimeter. So let's start. How we will find out perimeter? We will count these outer part of perimeter. So this one 1 we will call all squares. Okay, squares we will count, and this line from 1 to 1, this one is called 1 perimeter. This one is called 1 perimeter. 1, 2, 3, this line we will count square to square. 1, 2, 3, and this line is moving up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means on each square we will stop. 7, 8. Okay, we will not count these. Okay, we will not count these. We will count only these lines. From again I am telling you, from this point to this point we will count 1, this point to this point 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this one is 8, 9 or 10. So what is the perimeter? 10. And in this shape B, how many perimeter we have? That only count this point to this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These points we will count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is the perimeter? 12. Only we will count these lines in each square. This line in this square starting from this and till this. यहाँ से यहाँ तक. So we will count only 1 perimeter, 2 perimeter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So what is the perimeter is 12. In this we have area 10 in shape A and shape B. In both shapes we have area 10 square units. 10 square units and we have to find out the perimeter. Let's find out. We will start from this square to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What is the perimeter? 16. Again I am telling you, we will count square from the starting to end point. This one is called 1 or 2. Okay, like this we have 16 units perimeter. Now in shape B, we have area 10 square units and perimeter. Let's count from starting point till end point of square. That is called 1 perimeter. 1 and this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Again we are going to counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. What is the perimeter? 14. 14 units. Now come on C. Area we have 15 square units. 15 square units. In this side we have units. Okay, we have two shapes, first A and B, and we have to find out perimeter. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What is the perimeter? 16 of shape A. 16 units. Now come on shape B. Any shape we can draw, but area should be 15. Okay. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 perimeter. We have 18 units of perimeter shape B. Now come on D. We have area 20. Two shapes we have in this, shape A and shape B. In both shapes we have area similar, and we have to find out perimeter because perimeter can be different or similar. Okay, so let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 we have perimeter. 24 we have perimeter. Let's count in shape B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have perimeter 18. Okay students, I hope you all are understand about perimeter and area. Bye bye.